and we are going to tackle about the multiplication of polynomials. And by the way, there are three methods of multiplication of polynomials. The first one is distributive method, the second is vertical line, and the third is box lattice method. And my topic is distributive method. For example, um, x squared plus 3x plus 2 times x minus 2. Then we are going to solve this. Equals, and first you have to solve the first term, which is the x. X times x squared is equal to x cubed plus x times 3x is equal to 3x squared plus x times 2x is equal to 2x. Then you have to solve the second term, which is the negative 2. Negative 2 times x squared is equal to negative 2x squared minus negative 2 times 3x is equal to 6x minus negative 2 times 2 is equal to negative 4. And then the final answer is x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 4. And this is the final answer.
So the second method is the vertical line method. The example is x squared plus 3x plus 2 x minus 2. So we need to solve the first term, which is the x. So x times x squared equals x cubed plus x times 3x equals 3x squared plus x times 2 equals 2x. Then let us solve the second term, which is the negative 2. Negative 2 times x squared equals negative 2x squared minus negative 2 times 3x equals 6x. Then negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4. The answer is bring down the x cube, then copy the sign of the larger number, which is the 3. So plus then 3x squared minus 2x squared equals x squared. Then negative, then minus, then 2x minus 6x equals 4x. Then bring down the negative 4. So this is the final answer.
So, pangatlo is the box or the lattice method. So first we're going to do is we're going to draw the box. And we're going to put the example x squared and 3x and 2. We're going to the first term is x and the second term is the negative 2. Then we're going to solve the first term x and x squared. X times x squared equals to x cubed. Then x times 3x is equals to 3x squared. x times 2 is equals to 2x. And then we're going to solve the second term, the negative 2 times x squared. This is equals to 2x squared. Then negative 2 times 3x is equals to negative 6x. Negative 2 times 2 is equals to negative 4. Then we're going to cancel x cubed, then 3x squared and negative 2x squared, 2x and negative 6x and negative 4. Then we're going to, our final answer is, we're going to bring down x cube, then plus 2x minus 3x squared equals to x squared. And we're going to negative 6x minus 2x is equals to negative 4x. Then we're going to bring down the negative 4. And this is the final answer.